Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wonder how profitable a business truly is? That's where profit margin comes in. Simply put, it's a percentage that tells you how much money a company actually keeps from its revenue after certain costs are subtracted. It's a vital indicator, really, showing just how efficient a business is at converting sales into actual profit. This little number offers a huge insight into the financial health of any enterprise. When we talk about profit margins, we're actually looking at a few different calculations. The main ones are gross profit margin, operating profit margin, and net profit margin. Each offers a unique perspective on a company's financial health, peeling back layers of expenses to reveal profitability at different stages. It's like having 3 different lenses to examine how well a business is truly performing. Let's start with the gross profit margin. This number tells you how much money a company has left from its sales after paying for the direct costs of producing goods or services. Think of things like raw materials and labor. You calculate it by taking your sales revenue, subtracting the cost of goods sold, and then dividing that result by your sales revenue. It's a quick way to see if your core operations are profitable. Now, let's look at the net profit margin, often called the bottom line. This is the ultimate measure of profitability. It shows the percentage of revenue left after absolutely all expenses have been subtracted. This includes operating costs, interest payments, and even taxes. You calculate it by taking your total profit, after everything, and then dividing that by your total revenue. It truly gives you the most comprehensive picture of a company's overall financial success. So, why are these profit margins so important? They are truly crucial for understanding a business's financial health and operational efficiency. These percentages guide decisions on everything from setting prices to controlling costs, and even where to invest for future growth. Plus, investors and lenders pay very close attention to these numbers. They indicate a company's ability to generate sustainable returns and manage its resources effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.